Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude back with another scan code video. Today we'll be just taking a look at a variety of random figures from the first line and the new Camp Cretaceous line, and I'm sure there's some dino rivals scattered in as well. So if you guys just see any that you don't have scanned in your apps yet, feel free to find it in this video. Okay, so let's get started. We'll start with Mosasaurus, this small little sauropod guy. So we'll zoom in on that. Also, feel free to pause the video anytime if you want to get that scan code. I'm going too fast. Interesting. I forgot that the first wave had the white bits. Okay, so next we got two monolophosaurus. Here's the first one. And then the second one. The Camp Cretaceous one's a lot darker. I enjoy that style. We got one of the plesiosaurs. The dinorivals swimming one. And then we got the Proceratosaurus, one of my favorites from the first lineup. The original gallimimus. Then here's the plesiosaurus from the new Camp Cretaceous line. Pretty cool figure. I like the colors on that one. You got the battle damage gallimimus, which I ended up getting 3 of. And I'm glad I did. I accidentally bought 2. That was back when I thought that doubles had, or re-releases had different scan codes on the feet. And then I found like a 3rd gallimimus at a used toy store. We got the Sarco. It'd be cool if they made a Dinosuchus as well. Now that they have like the Postosuchus and whatnot. And we got the Edmontosaurus. Very neat. Love that figure, as Mattel definitely put their research in for having the design and whatnot. The colors of it are pretty neat. And this one's one of my favorite plesiosaurs besides the new one. I love the color on it. Be neat to see more marine reptiles in the future. Next we have the Pachycephalosaurus battle damage from the first lineup. And then the dinorivals Destructasaurus. I feel like the dinorivals line is one of the most creative. It has the most colorful and diverse lineup of figures. A lot of unique species that we don't really get to see a lot. Yeah, I think it's kind of underrated. We also got to see like Nazutoceratops and Margosaurus and Parasaurolophus get released in that lineup, which was really neat. We got the Wave 1 first year basic Stygimoloch figure. We got the newer Pachycephalosaurus, which looks more like the Jurassic World color scheme that they have on the website. The Spinosaurus. Let's get the Ceratosaurus from out back. This guy is going to be re-released as a new action feature. Like its tail, I think, will control its head or jaws or something. Or there might be a button on its back. Here we got the albertosaurus. Stego. Got Grim. Very interesting how they highlighted the front of Grim, but the back's not as detailed. So we got Albertosaurus. Very interesting addition to the Jurassic World lineup. Love this little Tyrannosaur. Can't wait to see more. Here's Sauropelta. It'd be cool if they expanded their Ankylosaur range from just Minmi, Sauropelta, and Ankylosaurus. I'd love to see Waplocephalus as a figure. I highly doubt that they're not going to get around to make it. Like, it's inevitable that they're going to make quite a few more species down the line, as we've seen in a lot of their toy lines. I wonder how far Mattel is going to go, like, with making species, if eventually they're going to have hundreds of different dinosaurs. I wouldn't doubt it, as they're just pumping them out at this rate, which is phenomenal. I'm still managing to keep up. I'm just missing 4 or 5 figures from the 2018 and 2019 toy line, and I've been catching up pretty easily with the Primal attacks in the Camp Cretaceous. But yeah, no, I'm definitely saving up for that blue Spino. Sadly, I missed out on that one, as Christmas 2019, I think it was, or 2019. That was like out in stores for what, a week? And now it's 400 on eBay. Yikes. But you know what? That's fine. I'll get it. I have enough for it right now, but I still I want to have savings, you know. I'm not gonna blow it all at once. Okay, we got Toro over here. Be interesting to see Toro made in a different style, like with the burn marks. More Stygimolochs. One's from the first lineup. Okay, got the gallimimus. Oh, I got 2 Sinoceratops in here? Whoops. Oh, there's a new Sinoceratops. I still need to grab that guy. And there's a Cryolopho too I don't have yet. I wonder if they're going to come out here in Canada. It's like one of the sucky things collecting in Canada is there's quite a few figures that don't make it up here, but lucky enough, I have quite a few friends down in the States who have been helping me get certain figures. So it's good to have connections. The community's very, very nice with that. Oh, one of my classic favorites is Suchomimus. Absolutely phenomenal figure. Can't wait to see the newer version. They're gonna have like a green one, capture gear. And then here's the Ankylosaurus. And Dimorphodon. Pteranodon. The old baryonyx. And the Mosasaurus. Oh. Where is the... It's gone. Damn. I have another Mosa. If you guys don't have the Mosa, just wait for another video. It's stored away in storage. I guess this is my Mosa that I use in the water, so it slipped off. RIP. Got Echo. The Indoraptor. Allosaurus. Pachyrhino. This one's a cool figure. And then this old Gallimimus. And then the Zutaceratops. And then the albertosaurus. This was a fun figure to collect back before, you know, COVID. I used to go down to the States and do Jurassic World hunt runs where I'd go to as many Targets and Walmarts as I could. And I remember seeing the Alberto and picking it up, I think, at a Walmart. And I got it alongside a few other figures. And man, do I miss collecting. Oh, that trike's missing its thing. Here, we got another trike. Yeah, I miss hunting in the States. The same old locations up here. They've been they've been getting kind of boring. Not many cool figures out here at the moment. We don't have the Jeep set, the Raptor set, anything like that, or the Pado. Oh, and this Carno's missing a tag too. Weird. So I'll include that in a later video. And we've got the Tyrannosaurus, the Indominus Rex. I wonder if the Camp Cretaceous Indominus has a different scan code. Oh, and the Brachio. How are we gonna get this? There we go. Close enough. Okay, hope you guys could get a few new dinosaurs for your scan code games. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to follow or subscribe for more content like this. I definitely do a few scan code videos like once or twice a month. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video then. Bye-bye.